Hi friends, welcome to your EzWrite practice for today. We are going to begin with the lowercase letter C today. If you look at the top of your paper, you're going to notice that we are starting with all C stroke letters. If you look, you will see the letter C, the letter O, the letter A, the letter D, G, Q, S, and F. All of these letters begin with a C stroke. Before we begin, I want you to practice putting your finger on the black dot. Notice next to it there's a clock, and the clock is showing us that we are going to start our letter C at 2 o'clock, so just below the middle line. And we are going to curve up to the middle line and come around to the writing line and finish our C stroke. Let's practice that again. Put your finger on the black dot, curve up to the middle line, come around to the writing line, and finish your C stroke. All right, now you can pick up your writing utensil, and we're going to begin by placing our pencil or pen on the black dot. Remember, friends, we don't make any letters starting from the bottom anymore. Today we're starting at 2 o'clock. We're going to go curve up to the middle line, come around to the writing line, and finish your C stroke. You are going to continue tracing the first few letter C's, and then you are going to practice on your own. Look how I practice starting at the black dot. I did the same thing in the next row. I traced each letter C. I'm making sure I'm pinching my pencil and my hand is resting on the table as I'm writing, and my other hand is holding my paper so it doesn't move. I'm going to practice my C stroke, making sure that I'm staying in the downstairs of my house. Don't forget, friends, we've learned the parts of the house, and the lowercase letter C does not go in the basement or the upstairs, and for sure not in the attic. It is made in the downstairs. All right, you're going to practice again one more time, tracing first, practicing on your own. When you're finished writing, you're going to flip your paper to the back, and we're going to look for words that begin with C. The words that begin with C, we're going to write a C under them. So first you can start by tracing the letter C at the top. And I already showed you the first one. The picture is a cat. Does cat start with C? It sure does. Practice your lowercase c. Now let's go to the next picture. I see a pumpkin. What sound does pumpkin begin with? If you said puh, you're right. That does not begin with the letter C like in cat. So we're not going to put a letter C for pumpkin. Let's try the next one. Friends, what do you see here? Did you say caterpillar? You're right. Let's listen to the beginning sound in caterpillar. Caterpillar. Same sound as cat? You're right. That means that caterpillar must begin with C. Make your C stroke in the downstairs. How about rainbow? Does rainbow begin with the letter C? Like in cat? Nope, it does not. Let's go to the next one. How about car? Does car begin with the same sound as cat? You're right. Put your letter C in the downstairs for car. We have one left. It's a monkey. Does monkey begin with the letter C? Monkey. No, monkey begins with M. All right, when you're finished, friends, you're going to do one more practice. You are going to do so great at these lowercase c's. Trace them, and write them. And when you're finished, you may give yourself a big star or a smiley face at the top of your paper. Make sure to show mom and dad or grandma or grandpa or aunts and uncles, whoever is at your house, and show them your hard work today. Nice job, friends. I'll see you back tomorrow for our next EzWrite letter, which is the letter. You're right, the letter O. Good job today.